you know what that is. That's a food factory in it. And on top of it, it comes out the food. So that's soil. And this is going to get less and less on that planet when we continue doing what we do. And because of that, we better get conscious of where the food comes from. And for that, there is a movement called Conscious Planet, Save the Soil, starting in March this year, 2022. Join it. It is most essential for future generations. Thank you.
Be and do in total awareness. Transform your human being in a conscious doing leader and save the soil today for the tomorrow of our children. Only with a clear leadership direction which stems from the core essence of the human being and that shines through the light of vision, we will survive the change, even the technological one, while accompanying other humans with grace into their next evolutionary journey, which should be the primary and focused real business of humans. Join the movement Conscious Planet today. Bring land under vegetation and shade. Plant litter will increase soil organic matter. Be and do in total